Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the MI Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2. Now this is the second version of their compact speaker. Now this is even smaller than the previous version. Now you see, actually when I take it out of the box, then you will realize how small this is. You can't really make out right now. Now the good thing about this is this has a 2-watt speaker. So 2-watt on a small this size speaker is pretty good. Now it can play music for 6 hours at 80% volume. If you increase it, then the battery percentage goes down. So maybe instead of 6 hours, it will go for 4 hours, 5 hours, depending on how loud you're playing this. Now this has a 300 milliampere battery, which is not that bad for this size. So let me just open this up first and then we will talk about the rest. Now what all do we get with this? Actually, let's open it first and then we'll talk about that. Wow. Okay, so it's that small. I really didn't expect much from this. I mean, I really don't expect much from this. Now this is going to be the first time I'm going to be using this. I haven't even opened it. You get a strap with it. Oh, no charging cable though. Okay, that's strange. Ideally it should have... Okay, yes, so it just has 3 things. It contains the speaker, the user manual, and the wrist strap. So for some reason they did not put a charging cable. Okay, so I tested it. I used it with different devices and checked how the sound quality is. Now let's start with the build quality. Now the build quality on this is pretty good. It's close to premium because it is, I mean, the finishing is excellent. You will not see any place where it's coming out from a little or some creaks or something when you move it, shake it, nothing. It's absolutely perfect. The build quality is perfect. You have an entire plastic body on top. Now this is entirely one piece, and then you have the second piece over here. Now you have this rubber part over here, which is going to keep the speaker from moving around while you are playing heavy bass music or something. Now talking about bass, it's got good bass, but it's not that much. You cannot really expect much of bass from a 2-watt speaker that's this small. But the bass is good enough. The sound quality is good. Treble wise, they have managed to keep the treble to a medium pace. It's not too high like how normally you see these kind of small speakers. They have too much of treble. So I can't really take these kind of speakers. I don't like these kind of speakers because they have too much of treble in it, and I am more of a bass guy, so I like the sound quality on it. The treble was not overpowering, the bass was there, not that much. The mids were very clear. I could actually hear the music very well. So all in all, sound quality wise, for this size, excellent speaker. Now the things that I don't like about this is it's got just one single button for everything. So you can use this button to switch it on or switch it off. You can use this button to pair, put it into pairing mode, and you can use this same button to make it go into factory reset. So let me go ahead and do a factory reset on this. Let me switch it on.
Power on.
Now keep it pressed.
Pairing. Restores the factory settings for you.
Okay, so now it's gone into restore factory settings. Now I'll go ahead and pair it with my iPhone. I'll have to search for this. So this is the name that you'll see, MIBT18i. So you select that and it's done. So it's connected. That's it. So you see that blue light over there, that will go off. Now it shows that it has... Okay, I cannot play any music because of copyright issues, but the sound quality is good. Let me show you one more thing. Now let's see if it shows the battery life or not. Okay, so it even shows you the battery life. So I have an iPhone, you see the battery life over here, 80% battery there. So good. So all in all, good speaker. The only problem that I have, I mean, there are 2 problems that I have with this. One is the single button, the power button. That means you cannot control the volume from this. So you'll have to hang it onto your bag or wherever you feel like, and then you have to control the volume, music, everything from the phone. So you cannot use this standalone, so you cannot just hold this in your hand and then just like double tap or this or that and change music or put volume, increase or decrease volume. Those things cannot be done with this. One disappointing thing for a lot of people, this cannot connect to two devices at the same time. So if you have two phones, it will not connect with them together at the same time, but you can use them one at a time. So you can disconnect the Bluetooth from this and then pair this with this, it'll work, and then disconnect the Bluetooth from this and then pair with this, it'll work. But at the same time, both of them cannot be connected. That's something disappointing that I found with this, but then that's normal with most of the speakers. They do not connect with two devices. There are a lot of them. It's okay, but for people who are looking for that option, since this is a portable speaker which you can roam around with, just letting you know now itself, it cannot connect with two devices at the same time. So all in all, excellent speaker. I'll be using it more and then I can actually give you more information about it. I'll use some of my copyright free music to do the sound test and use the mic in outside scenarios to see how the sound quality is going to be. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.